There comes a point in every structure in Southern California where it will be affected by either drywood or subterranean termites. It is not possible to make termites go extinct or stop them from swarming. There is no force field that will make it so termites are unable to enter the airspace around your home. And that's really only because Elon Musk won't return my calls. However, there are some preventative measures that can help to deter, slow, or altogether stop termites from having undeterred access into your home. Number 1, inspect and treat annually. Termites can swarm up to 2 times per year. In California, they do not move too quickly or aggressively, so a new termite infestation in your home may not show any signs or symptoms right away. If you have a thorough termite inspection performed annually in your home, you should be able to catch infestations early enough where you can treat them by way of local treatment methods and keep very minor termite issues from becoming a huge termite problem and expense. Number 2, wood repairs and painting. As your home ages, wood becomes damaged either because of exposure to the elements or external forces that actively work to damage it, such as termite and wood rot. Wood that is already compromised by damage is easier for a passing swarm to access. Damaged wood and wet wood could potentially be easier to eat through itself, making it a hotbed for termites and increasing in the severity of wood damage exponentially. Keeping your home up to date for repairs will make it harder for termites to make a new colony in your home structure. Drywood termites will not eat through paint to get to wood. Having quality primer and paint on wood provides an additional protective barrier that deters swarming termites from infesting into your wood. Number 3, borates. Applying products based on the natural element boron, known as borates, also help to prevent termites from making a new colony in your wood members. What borates do is create an environment that is sodium rich, so much so that it cannot sustain life. Termites may be able to find the borate treated wood, but they will not be able to inhabit it. It would be like me trying to live off seawater. Nothing can stop me from finding the ocean, but drinking seawater would not be sustainable for my survival. And just like in this analogy, termites would not stay and would either find different wood to infest or dehydrate due to the high salt levels in the wood they are consuming. It's important to note that borates are absorbed only on bare wood, and bare wood members will only absorb up to 3/8 of an inch into the wood, meaning that the boron-rich environment only exists at a superficial level of the wood member on which it is applied, and it would not be a sustainable termite treatment for wood member that already has a termite infestation deep in the wood member that is being treated. We recommend applying borates in bare wood in garages, attics, and also on wood members being used to replace existing damage before they are primed and painted and installed into your home. For an inspection and a customized plan for termite control in your home and for prevention tips, contact us. We can be reached at 1-844-GOT-ANTS.